We're gonna put a muffler on this thing.
Absolutely.
We got some MBRP pipes for this thing. I don't know what's what. There's a whole bunch of stuff. What's
Kind of
up?
looks stupid with the 2 light bars though.
Yeah, I told you that.
It's nice and bright though.
Very bright.
Much you won't see.
I need brackets for it. That's the problem.
Let's push this weapon out. We got the exhaust changed on this. Look at those tires. So these are the tires that were on my Maverick actually. This is a stock exhaust. We're going to swap it over and make it a little louder. Let's do it. Let's rev her up too. We want to hear what stock sounds like.
It's not loud enough.
Yeah, it'll sound a lot better with that MBRP on there. We got MBRP everything. MBRP on there. MBRP on my truck. This is getting MBRP. Right fit. Someone put that Maverick there.
How far back?
I'd say right about there. Gives us lots of room to play. So these were the old tires off the Polaris, and then I gave Jason here my Maverick tires, and then I burnt these off.
Did you ever?
You'd burn those front ones off. All right, let's swap this thing over. All right, I think this is the MBRP. We got a few boxes here, so.
I know it might be Brent's. Oh, I think this is mine.
Should be this one, yeah. Mine came in outside the box, so.
Packing.
Oh yeah, there it is.
It's like Christmas. September.
Happy fall. Just moved my microwave over here. There's a razor blade there if you want.
There you go.
Hey, how shiny it is.
Not for long.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up that pipe.
Wow.
Looks like mine.
I'm super excited for this.
It's gonna sound a lot better, eh? Hold her up.
Been a long time coming.
Power Tech 4. Beauty. That means you have to take that stupid cover off there and leave it off.
Which is good. I don't need it.
Yeah.
Who
Too
needs
much. You get too much heat with that thing.
Gotta find a place to mount that plate.
Yeah.
All right.
Somewhere.
Let's rip her off.
Who needs a plate?
Start the time lapse.
Yeah.
Well, that popped out easy.
Just running a straight pipe.
We have to do the traditional fire up straight pipe.
Yeah.
Maybe keep your head away from there. I should probably get my earplugs in. It's like a Harley on steroids.
It's angry.
It's a lot nicer
All
than
right.
Harley.
Pick that thing out of the way. Let's get this shiny piece of equipment on here. Maybe some Glad too, if there's time for a cling wrap. Yeah, sure. Go time.
See what she sounds like.
See what she sounds. quick, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's so windy outside. We're trying to do stuff today, but we can't really. It's like 80-kilometer winds out here, so we just had a little storm roll through. It didn't actually rain, it just was windy. So anyways, thank you guys again. As always, make sure you check out the links below, leave some nice comments, and maybe some suggestions. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you later.